Connect chemistry to life. CHOKWANG Paint strives for the progress of mankind through chemical technology. A chemical solution provider, providing paint products that combines beauty and function, as well as the best material needed in our high-tech industries. Since our foundation in 1947, CHOKWANG Paint has been producing various products to benefit the world based on our long accumulated technology and our forerunners in specializing the market and providing values in specialized fields. Our continued investment in operation of research teams specialized in respective fields ensure that we have just the right capabilities to identify and resolve issues that trouble our clients. Every year, CHOKWANG Paint is working towards a stable and sustainable growth. CHOKWANG Paint has been the leading solution provider in various fields, ranging from energy and plant, all the way to construction and industry. But our ambition didn't stop there. CHOKWANG Paint has been steadily preparing for the future based on our confidence and know-how accumulated in the field of paint. Determined to become the leading company in a new field, we set off our first step in our journey to become the leading material developer. Renewable energy solution, secondary battery solution, display solution, automobile material solution, electronic component material solution, and even eco-friendly material solution. We are constantly expanding our investment and development for transitioning into the leading chemical material solution provider. Our strive for change is accompanied by our domestic branches, overseas branches, as well as numerous global partners. In particular, our activities for a sustainable planet is what we emphasize the most. Our efforts to find more partners to change the world together will also continue, so that our technology may transform the industries worldwide and bring a better future for all of us. Today, a paint company. Tomorrow, a chemical material solution provider. CHOKWANG Paint's transformation continues. Connect chemistry to life. CHOKWANG Paint.